It's Wonderland Weekly with a very special intro here by Kermit the Frog! Yay! Was that alright? That was good? Alright. Well, thanks everybody, and have a wonderful week. Hey everyone, Toronto Ty back here at Canada's Wonderland once again for another couple hours of Camp Spooky. Yeah, I got here around 3 p.m., so only a couple hours left in the daytime operations. But yeah, then I will be sticking around for Halloween Haunt later this evening. So I am really looking forward to that. But before we get to that, I am planning to check out some of the shows at Camp Spooky and hopefully get on some rides here during the day. Woohoo! Over here at Leviathan, I'm not as familiar with the ride as I know that a lot of enthusiasts are, but are these braces here, these extra little connectors, are those new? Yeah, if they aren't new, if I can find some footage of those existing previously, then this clip probably won't even be included. So if it's in here, yeah, those are new. Weird. I wanted to take a moment to shout out Shockwave for continuing to be just the most intense ride here at the park. It is really running wild this year, and it is absolutely amazing. But also heading into Camp Spooky, love the giant inflatable pumpkin and these stacks of pumpkins and bats and such. Yeah, so that's a lot of fun, and I'm going to be yeah, checking out some of the shows today. Woohoo! As I wait for Doo-Doo the Clown to come on stage, who he always does a fantastic job, by the way, then yeah, I'm just struck by how many seats over there are not being occupied because it is too sunny, and even the guests in the front here, also directly in the sun. Some guests over there, also in the sun. Oh dear. Over here at Wonder Mountain's Guardian, or Zombies as it's known during Halloween Haunt, the park has started to install what appears to be a bin system similar to Yukon Strikers. So it looks like this will be the unload section, and over there will be the load section. Yeah, very, very cool. It's definitely not a complete circuit yet, so it's not quite ready, but really, really awesome that the park is doing this even before the off season gets started. And I am looking forward to seeing how this ends up working out, because I don't know if the bins will be facing this way or that way or what. I mean, if the park can manage to have a separate unload station, that would be amazing. But I think they'll just be picking stuff up from this side. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, very, very cool that the park is investing in Wonder Mountain's Guardian. Woohoo! Over here at Dragon Fyre, this is really interesting. In between each of the air gates, the park has installed these little posts, and they have a purple marking on them. So I believe this is for, you know, giving a general idea of the height requirement. I know a lot of rides this year have got in height check sticks for the grouper to use. But of course, Dragon Fyre doesn't have a grouper position, so yeah, this is a good way of, you know, making up for that. And again, just a quick glance, this is not the full way of doing a height check, at least as far as I know. Well, that'll about do it for this week here at Camp Spooky. I had a really good day until the very end. I got in line at one location for one of the food items on the menu, and unfortunately the menu item I wanted was served out of a different location, even though it was on the menu for that location. Anyway, that was just kind of frustrating, but I did have a good time other than that. So yeah, and I am going to be back here for Halloween Haunt tonight, which is going to be a lot of fun. So yeah, I think that'll about do it. Until next time, as always, have a good one! Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, comment with anything you'd like me to cover in the future, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and support me on Patreon so that I can visit more parks and create more wonderful videos.